guys, what's up? How's it going? This is Easy Pictures to Draw. I hope you're having a really awesome day. Today we're going to go over how to draw a flower. It's going to be kind of a rose version of a flower. I'm going to be using this marker. It's going to be simple enough for any beginner to follow, so please follow along. Also, if you haven't joined, the email list, check out the email list in the link. I will put the link on the top, actually, of the banner. You can check that out. So join that email list. You get a free How to Draw Cute ebook when you do that. So join that now. Thank you so much, guys. So let's get into this. Now, I'm gonna draw like an S shape. Gonna kind of mirror that shape, but draw just some random, full like bumps there. Doesn't have to be exactly like that. Draw up. Swirl. Line across here. We're gonna connect this line. It's gonna be the back leaf, it's gonna wrap around it. More bumps, very similar shape to this one. The outer portion of the rose itself. The other portion to the rose itself. And then we're gonna tie it down at the bottom here. Sorry about that noise. We're gonna tie it down at the bottom. Throw a line out here. Throw a line out here. Hold down. Grab a leaf. Hold down, have a leaf here. Got that leaf there at the bottom. And another one on the far end. And then we're going to draw the stem. And maybe some small, very minor detail. But that's it. That's how to draw a cartoon rose. I really hope you were able to draw that very easily. Let me know what you think. If you really want, you can also throw like a thorn in the stem, because they tend to have that. Thank you so much, guys. Like I said, if you like the video, press the like button and share the video on Facebook or Twitter or anything. It helps me out immensely, like immensely when you do that. Like, it's such a big deal. And I'll talk to you guys very soon. And go ahead and ask me a question. I want to start answering questions and really talking more to people on here. So talk to you soon.